I'll count 20 and then don't lose the ball. You have to familiarize it. 2, 3, go. 1, 2, you lose it. 3, don't lose the ball. 8, 9, 12. Alright, now do the stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight up. Okay. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Do not move your body. 5. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Okay. This time much faster. Left and right. Do not lose the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job.